Tommy steps in snowy land, sparkling flakes fall all so grand. Icy hills and winter light, snowy fun feels pure delight. Down the snowy hills so fast, Tommy laughs as skids and pass, cold wind blowing through the air. Winter joy is everywhere, zigzagged across the snow. Tommy slides both fast and slow, funny patterns on the ground, snowy magic all around. Jumping over icy hills, Tommy feels exciting thrills. Skids go bouncing left and right, winter sports are such delight. Jumping over icy hills, me feels exciting thrills. Skids go bounce are such delight. Funny snowman big and round, colorful scarf wrapped around. Tommy giggles full of cheer, snowy friendship brings him near. Gliding on the icy track, Tommy never looks back. Shiny ice beneath his feet, winter skating feels so sweet. Snowballs flying soft and light, Tommy plays with great delight, balancing while sliding, winter dreams are coming true. Racing downhill with his friends, snowy fun that never ends, fast as skids across the white, happy laughter fills the night. Color lights begin to shine, snowflakes sparkle all the time. Tommy skates beneath the stars, magic winter near and far. Jumping over icy hills, me feels exciting thrills. Skids go bouncing left and right, winter sports are such delight. Jumping over icy hills, me feels exciting thrills. Skids go bounce are such delight. Tommy holds his trophy high, snowflakes dancing through the sky. Winter hero, brave and bright, shining proudly in the night.